Just cover.
Mom, please open your eyes, Mom.
Can you guys please excuse us? Mom is fine now. She just slipped, yeah? You enjoy the party. Thank you. Thanks.
You can hide from everyone, but not from me. Let's take a selfie. Maya, I need to smile. Come on, Maya. Smile. Such a nice picture, right? Who should I send it to? Rishi or Rudra? Or MJ? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. Maya is my friend. Oh yes. I will kill all the germs. You are so good at making people feel so worthless.
It's just a matter of few more days. We will be together soon. Okay?
I have to admire your courage. Looks like you are taking a massive risk.
I have already implemented my plan. It's time we take advantage of it, and one has to be patient because it takes time.
Please hurry up.
Yes.
Mom, please open your eyes, Mom. Mom, please open your eyes, Mom. Mom. How could you do this, Mom?
Why don't you ask your father? He's the reason for Mom's condition.
Rudra, please.
What? He called Mom a drug addict in front of everyone.
I said what everyone thinks is the truth, Rudra.
The truth. Do you know what the truth is? No, Mr. Mrityunjay. You said what would make your deception look real, that's all. And you know what? You disgust me. A man who can't protect his wife is of no use to this
Brother,
planet.
please. Not now.
If not now, then when? When something happens to Mom? And just open your eyes and realize his true colors.
Do you want the whole world to know the truth about your father, Rudra? But do you have the courage to know the reality? What MJ said in front of everyone at the party is completely true. Antara really has addiction issues. She wants to be intoxicated. And God knows MJ tried ever so hard to convince her. But she doesn't listen, Rudra. Even I tried today. I tried to convince her not to take a medicine and drink alcohol at the same time. But her addiction is so severe that she's not able to see what is right and what is wrong. And this man, your father, he hid it from the two of you until now, so that both of you would not think any less of your own mother. This is the truth about your father. Now tell me, do you have the courage to handle what I just told
Dear
you?
enough. Stop it. That's enough. Please forgive me, Antara. But if the truth wasn't revealed to everyone today, you would never understand. Whatever I did it for your sake. I'm sorry about what happened. I love you, Antara. Get well soon. You have to lead a long life with me.
This is not done, brother. This is not done. Dad! Dad!
I love you, Antara. You have a lot of life to live with me.
I want to talk to Mom alone. Please.
Thank you, Rajiv.
White color has only one problem. Any color will leave a mark on it. Today on Mrityunjay's white family image, your color black has left a mark.
There are some marks which go on deepening as you try to erase it. There was a time when I had to pay for my love. But now, they will pay for my hatred. They will pay.
How long will you keep doing this, Mom? For how long do you plan to endure this life imprisonment? Until today, he had insulted you only at home. Today, even that facade is gone. Now he made a scene in front of the whole world. Before you were Mrs. Mrityunjay, before you were someone's wife, before you were someone's mother or daughter-in-law, you were Antara, who had an identity of her own. Please don't forget that. If you don't have the courage, you tell me and I'll be your courage. Just say it once. I'll end everything, Mom. I'll bring out the truth about Mr. Mrityunjay for everyone to know. Just say it once. Just tell me once, Mom. I swear I'll be with you. I won't let anything happen to you. Just once, Mom. Just once.
Call everyone. I want to tell something.
Do you know today MJ had me hanging from the balcony? Do you know how I felt? My soul had almost bid me goodbye, you see. But you are lucky that you have a friend like me. If I had died,
I promise you, you will have a good funeral.
you're like a puzzle. No one can understand you. No one can predict your next move, not even me. But to hit someone in his own house, that's a great move. I salute you, huh? But since I started to help you, I'm sure about one fact that Maya's magic can be understood by Maya alone. Don't you think the plan to drop him into the ocean is risky? What if the boy dies? Maya, as you had said, the fake news has been printed that Ron Publications has signed you up.
Rishi,
Correct.
let him have it. Give him the address.
Someone else is also searching for you.
Rudra.
His good friend and partner, Ananya. MJ's dog had almost reached you.
There is a lot of difference between almost and actuality. Thank you, Rajiv. Only you have been with me at every step.
No, Maya. I did it for my own profit. Once your hatred is successful, my goal will be reached. You put a spark at Nutanjay's house. Now let's wait and watch whether if it burns the whole family or not.
Only one of them will change this game. Antara, MJ, or Rudra.